Okay, going into Module 6 here, there is one assignment, but it is lengthy. So there's several steps here. It's all contained in one document, but here are the 6 things to do. The first is to read the background story from the Maclean's magazine, make some notes using 5 W's, and then throw in making connections, text to self, text to text, text to world. Okay, does it remind you of anything in your life, anything you've read, or anything that's currently going on in the world? Then watch The Secret Path and complete the think and ink response. I may have to add that in here. Stop after each section and jot a few thoughts. Now, I have had some folks say that listening is sometimes difficult because of the way Gord Downie sings. So you might also want to Google the lyrics to the songs, which is easily found. There are some after viewing questions. Then, to get ready for the big assignment, I would like you to read the article on conducting a panel discussion, make some notes for yourself on how a panel discussion happens, then watch the panel discussion that occurs after the Secret Path video. So the Secret Path video in the link, it's 2 hours long. The first hour is the story. The second hour is the panel discussion. And then there's some questions about the panel discussion. And then you have to create your own panel discussion, okay? So looking here, again, just follow step by step. Oh, I don't know why my computer's doing this today. Just put it on the desktop. Okay, so read the Maclean's magazine article, 5 W's, making connections. Watch the video, and yes, I do have to attach the Think and Ink document, so I will do that right after. After you watch the video, or as you're watching the video, answer these 3 questions. Remember to pay attention to the mark value and aim to write at least that many points. It doesn't matter if it's paragraphs or points, but if it's 5 marks, at least 5 good points. The second part is the panel discussion. So here's the guidelines for a panel discussion. Make some notes for yourself. What are the rules of a panel discussion? Here is the link again to watch the panel discussion that happens after the Secret Path video. Some questions here after or during watching the panel discussion. And then I hadn't changed this when I uploaded it. You guys will obviously be doing this individually unless you can talk a parent or a friend into asking you some questions. Here are questions that you can use in your panel discussion. And if you would like to create a question of your own, just run it by me. And you do not have to do every question, at least 3. Okay, so there's 5 there with the option of creating another one. You can create 3 questions that are not mine at all. Okay, but you have to answer 3 questions. For the assessment, now it is a video. This is a video assignment, the panel discussion. You have to record yourself. In the video, you need to show that you're confident, you're using some facts and knowledge from research, from background knowledge. You read the poem, My Sisters. You read about the Highway of Tears. You have some other background in residential schools. I could tell from your responses. So be able to be specific, that you demonstrate some understanding, some original ideas, examples, analogies, show empathy, show respect. Your communication is logical, you make sense, you're easy to follow, you're making some eye contact, your volume is good. And the participation one does not apply to you guys. Okay? So that is the Secret Path assignment. Let me know if you have any questions.